creating awesome. Step 1. Draw an oval. Step 2. Draw the neck. The neck is basically a giant S shape. Step 3. Draw the beak. And step 4. Add a googly eye. Step 5. Draw the tail. The tail is basically a rounded triangle. Oh, it looks like I forgot some details to the beak. Step 6. Draw the wing. Just make a large, rough, rounded shape. Step 7. Now add some details to the shape. This will be the feathers. Looks like I forgot something again. The tail always has 2 tail feathers, so just make a second rounded triangle. Step 8. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! You made a super cute swan friend. You can color it white, you can color it black. Doesn't really matter. A swan is a swan and they're all beautiful. Bye bye!